All right, this is a video on my pole lathe. There's a pole. It's a Bradford pear tree pole. It's very springy. I dug a hole about the same diameter as the limb with that, about 10 inches deep. Stuck the limb, the pole down in there, wedged it in with a couple of pressure treated wedges, V'd this 2x10 out, wedged it, cut it, and stuck it in there and put a wedge on there. That way it holds it in place. This beast bends, boing, boing. Anyway, see there? All leg powered lathe. That's it, rebar, a wedge. So that's how it works. Now that's how you do that with your foot. I'll show you, I'll make another video on me actually using it. I just want you to see how I made it. You wrap this around your piece of wood 2 times. Then of course you, it's my air compressor kicking on. Anyway, so your wood goes in here, make you a hole in your piece of wood, and fit it on this. Point there, do the same thing here. I'll show you in another video when I actually use it. This thing's movable, goes back and forth. You can screw this in, there's a nut in here, but you can screw this in and out. I don't even do that. I just stick my piece of wood in there, put it in that end, put it here. I tap it in with a hammer, and then I put me some wedges, some shims in here, just tap them in here, and sometimes down in here, and hold that thing tight. It's about all it needs. This is your little tool rest. Now your tool goes on and shaving that thing, shaving that piece of wood. This thing's movable, slides back and forth. That's it. Everything's made out of pressure treated. It's very old. It's 5, 6, 7 years old. I don't remember. Anyway, that's it. And I'll stick me a shim or 2 in here, a block of wood or whatever, if I need to pull this out from the piece of wood if the wood's too fat. But that's it. That wood just spins by the power of your leg on that right there. See, I'll do it. Watch. That's it, and it'll spin that. But I wanted you to see how I made it. I did an overkill on the, it used to just sit on sawhorses. Now I make this huge overkill of a sawhorse. I mean, that thing is sturdy, man. All pressure treated. Anyway, that's it. That is the pole lathe. And I've used it, so it works really good. It's just, man, I let it sit out in the rain for years. Just getting it back going. It ain't fastened. I gotta fasten it to the sawhorse. But anyway, I like my big old sawhorse that I made to stick it on. It's perfect. It's heavy. That thing is heavy, all pressure treated. Anyway, that's it. The pole lathe. Now this is how they used to do them. This is before there was electricity. Anyway, make you one. They're cool. Anyway, that's how you make your furniture with. That's how you make your furniture when you ain't got electricity. A pole lathe. Some people call them spring lathes. But that's it. Anyway. We'll see you on the next one. I'll do another video of me actually using it. We'll see you.